We are making a hearty, wholesome walnut bread, perfectly crusty on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. This recipe is full of earthy, nutty goodness, and I'll show you how easy it is to bake your own loaf at home. Here's what you need: 3 types of flour for the perfect texture, buttermilk for a soft crumb, honey for a hint of sweetness, and of course walnuts, the star of our bread. We start with the dry ingredients. Each type of flour brings its own character. Rye adds depth, whole wheat adds heartiness, and white flour gives a balanced structure. Don't forget the salt and yeast. A quick mix ensures the salt and yeast are evenly distributed. Next, the walnuts. These are more than just a flavor boost, they are a nutritional powerhouse. Walnuts are packed with omega-3, known for supporting brain health and antioxidants that combat inflammation. They make this bread not just delicious, but also nourishing. Chop them roughly. You want bite-sized pieces that add crunch to the bread. Add now honey, water and buttermilk. The honey adds a little bit of sweetness that pairs beautifully with the walnuts, while buttermilk helps tenderize the dough, making it wonderfully soft. Stir it all together until the dough starts to come together. It will look rough at first, but that's part of the process. Kneading brings the dough to life. If it feels too dry, don't hesitate to add a bit more of water. A moist dough will bake it into a soft, airy bread. Once the dough is smooth and elastic, shape it into a ball. Cover it tightly to keep the moisture in and let it rest for overnight. This slow rise builds flavor and makes the bread easier to digest. Preheat your oven and iron pot to 415 Fahrenheit. A hot pot creates that irresistible crust by trapping steam as the bread bakes. By morning, the dough is full of rich, earthy aromas. That's the magic of slow fermentation. Stretching and folding strengthens the gluten structure, giving the bread a chewy texture. A quick dusting of flour prevents sticking and adds a rustic finish. Scoring lets the bread expand beautifully in the oven. Into the pot it goes. This technique mimics a professional steam oven, helping the bread rise tall and develop a crispy crust. After 45 minutes, we uncover the pot to let the crust brown to perfection. And here it is, our walnut bread, golden and fragrant. Perfect for breakfast, a snack, or served alongside your favorite soup. Try it yourself and let me know what you think in the comments. Buon appetito!